In today's video, I'm going to teach you quicker way to link Google Drive files in Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted to reference a file in your spreadsheet without pasting a long, messy link, this is a much cleaner and faster method. Google Sheets lets you insert a Google Drive file as a smart chip, which creates a neat, clickable reference right inside a cell. It looks more organized. It's easier to read, and it makes your sheet more useful for anyone else viewing it. To get started, open your Google Sheet and click on the cell where you want the file link to appear. This can be anywhere that makes sense for your layout, such as next to a project name under a document column or inside a tracking sheet. Once you've selected the right cell, move your cursor to the top menu. From the top menu, click Insert, then go to Smart Chips and choose File. This tells Google Sheets that you want to add a file from Google Drive directly into the selected cell. As soon as you do that, a search box will appear so you can look for the document, spreadsheet, PDF, or other file you want to link. Now type the name of the file you are looking for. As you type, Google Sheets will start showing suggestions from your Google Drive. This is what makes the process quicker than manually opening Drive. Finding the file, copying the link, and coming back to paste it. Instead, everything happens right inside the sheet. Take a moment to look through the suggestions carefully, especially if you have several files with similar names. When you see the correct file, click on it. Google Sheets will instantly insert it into the cell as a smart chip. Instead of showing a raw URL, the cell will display a clean file reference that other users can click to open the document. This is especially helpful when you want spreadsheets to stay visually tidy while still giving quick access to supporting files. It can also reduce mistakes since you are choosing from suggestions rather than pasting links manually. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can link Google Drive files in Google Sheets in a faster, cleaner way using smart chips. Once you get used to this feature, it becomes a simple workflow improvement that can save time and make your spreadsheets feel much more polished.